name is Daniel Ndima. The name of my company is BSC Biotechnologies. So our business is a biotechnology entity that actually sources what we call genetic information from nature. Simple terms, it's a portfolio of what we call molecular assays, reagents, and obviously solutions. We started this business because we saw that there was a need for localized solutions in Africa, and Africa was still is net importer of some of these products. So we knew that one day Africa will be in trouble, including South Africa, in terms of the shortage of the reagents. My journey, quite a long one, leading to where I am now. While I was still doing matric, I already wanted to be an entrepreneur, but in the field that I would be specializing in. And then as part of my research, I realized that biotechnology was a good field to be in because of the innovation potential that it had. And it was responding mostly to the things that were closer to my heart, food security, medicine, diagnostics, etc. The journey of biotech company is quite a traumatic one. Being alone in the field and not really having full knowledge of the industry and having to learn the dynamics of that industry was a challenge, but it was a good challenge for us. The amazing things for us obviously was, the first was the partnerships that we signed in the US, 2 research and development collaboration agreements, 1 distributor. For me, that was a wow moment to say, okay, with 3 products, we get opportunity as part of the South African delegation to a global conference, life science conference, industry conference, where all big players are. We get there, we set up our stand, and we have people that say, let's part. The pandemic became both a challenge and an opportunity for us. We are essential services. Lockdown never really affected us. It just affected our market. We are fortunate with our 3 products. I think for us, what this pandemic did was to help us to leapfrog our business, because we gave ourselves some time. We said, for the next 3 years, we only focus on developing enzymes for research purposes only. So we jumped from just normal research. We are now developing diagnostics. We're no longer an enzyme manufacturing company. We are now a diagnostic company. So we develop enzymes that are used for diagnostics. So what is this telling us? It's telling us that we are seeing a potential for us to develop therapeutics. We are seeing a potential for us to develop vaccines. Where there's chaos, science will be required, or scientific solutions will be required. Whether theoretically or practically, science will always, it has to make sense. So I agree that chaos does create opportunities, especially for science.